Hi, today we're gonna solve the really beautiful puzzle. It is called the Bad Astronaut, and the aim of this puzzle is to release the virus. So let's try to solve it. And here is the puzzle. On the one side it says Bad Astronaut. Also we can find here 033150. On the opposite side it says Pandemic Containment, and here is, I think it's charge. It looks like it discharged, so let's try to release this virus. The aim of this puzzle is to release this virus, so let's start. We can release this part, take it out, and now I'm gonna find the hole which is bigger than others. I'm gonna measure with my fingers. It looks like they're all the same. For example, when I solved the bird in the cage puzzle, one of the holes was bigger than others. And here all the holes are the same. So let's try random hole. For example, this one. It is kind of hedgehog in the cage puzzle, so we need to rotate this part, the virus, and try to release it. In this kind of puzzle, the solution can be random, because you just need to rotate and at one moment it will release. The time is about 2 minutes. But maybe we should find the hole which is bigger than others. No, they feel absolutely the same. Okay, let's try another hole. Here is it. Yes. 2 minutes. The puzzle is pretty simple, but it looks amazing. Here is the virus. By the way, it was made using the 3D printer. And now we need to put the virus inside. So let's start the time again. Reset, start. I think it will be much easier. Stop. The puzzle is simple, but anyway, it looks amazing. Thanks Puzzle Guy for giving me this puzzle. I will leave link to his channel in the description, and thanks for watching. See you next time.